In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Discord. By the end, you'll be confidently sharing your screen, so friends or teammates can watch and listen in real time. This is perfect for gaming, studying together, or walking someone through a presentation. First, enter a voice channel in a server. On Discord, voice channels usually have a small speaker icon next to their names, and they're grouped under the server you're currently in on the left sidebar. Click the voice channel you want to use, and you'll see your profile appear at the bottom with your mic and headphones controls. If you're prompted for microphone permissions, allow them so people can hear you talking while you stream. If the channel is locked or full, you may need the right role or an open slot before you can join. Once you're in and you can see the voice controls, you're ready for the next step. Now click the Share Your Screen icon at the bottom left. It looks like a monitor with an arrow. A window will pop up asking what you want to share. You can choose a specific application window, like a game or a browser tab, or select your entire screen. Choosing a single app keeps everything else private, which is great if you have messages or files open that you don't want to show. Selecting your entire screen is helpful if you plan to switch between multiple programs. Before you go live, check the preview to make sure it's the right thing. Depending on your setup and permissions, you may also see options for including system audio, picking a resolution, and adjusting the frame rate. Higher settings look smoother, but use more bandwidth and CPU, so if your stream feels laggy, consider lowering them. When you're happy with the selection and settings, confirm to start streaming. And there you go. Now anyone who joins the channel can see and hear your live stream. Viewers will notice a live badge next to your name, and they can click your stream to watch it in a larger view. Talk as you normally would in the voice channel. Your voice and the shared content will go through together. If you need to switch what you're sharing, use the same screen share panel to change windows without interrupting everyone. A quick tip: close any sensitive tabs or notifications beforehand to avoid accidental reveals, and keep an eye on your internet connection for the smoothest experience. With these simple steps, you're live on Discord and ready to share.